This is a typical English house. There is a bathroom, a living room, a kitchen, a bedroom, an attic, a dining room. Here we can see stairs, ceiling, door, garage, roof, garden. In the kitchen, there is a cooker, a fridge, an oven, a dishwasher and cupboards. In the dining room, there are chairs and a table. In the living room, we can see a sofa, an armchair, a carpet and a television. In the bathroom, there is a mirror, a sink, a toilet and a shower. In the bedroom, there is a bed, a wardrobe and a desk. Look at these two bedrooms. This is Anne's room. It is very tidy and has a blue bed and lots of books on the shelves. Anne loves books. Can you see the chest of drawers and the bedside table? There is a desk and a chair and a pretty carpet, but no curtains. Anne can't stand curtains. What is Anne doing? Is she sleeping? No, she isn't. She is reading a book. This is Dave's room. It is very untidy. There is a brown bed, but you can't see it very well. It is covered in clothes. There is a wardrobe and two chairs, but he doesn't have a desk. He has lots of posters. Dave loves posters, but he doesn't like a tidy room. What is Dave doing? He is listening to music. What about you? Is your room tidy or untidy?